So here is my VIZIO Smart TV, and I haven't used it in a while, and I'm getting 500 internal error. So I thought I'm not gonna be able to use the TV anymore, but don't throw it away yet. So if you get the internal error, you will need to go to the remote and try to turn it on. And once it's on, go to the input and just check, and then it will show you your the name of your TV, and then at the bottom it says you have to connect to the internet. So basically, because I haven't used this in a while, it disconnected from the internet. So now just connect to the internet first and forget about that error, because we can bypass that. So here's all you need to do is just enter your password for your network, for your internet, and once you're connected, go back to your remote and go. You will still see the 500 internal error again. Don't think that it's not gonna work. Go back to your remote and click menu, and on the menu, go to the settings, and then on the settings, click on your TV. Right, so you go to the settings and scroll down, and right now what I did was I wanted I wasn't sure at first what to do, so I figured I tried to find channels. So basically, finding channels is like if you have an antenna that you, because there's antennas right now that are for sale that you can connect to your smart TV at the back. So I tried to find the channels, which is I went to the user manual, and then I did not find any channel. And I'm still seeing the error, the 500 internal error. So now I went, and because I'm doing a troubleshooting, so I went and go to the menu again, and I clicked the watch free, which is that's the app that Vizio has to watch free TV, and there it still works. So the internal error, the 500 internal error on your Vizio doesn't mean that it's already broken. Make sure you try to turn on your TV, connect to the internet, and go back to the menu. When you click on the menu, check watch free. So right now I'm just checking watch free, but the TV is not broken. You are still able to watch live TV.